Jai Shri Ram friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling you to how to create Gmail account without phone number. Let's start the video without having to lose time. First of all, open your Gmail app and click on profile button on your right corner. Then click on add another account button. Then click on Google and tap on create account option. Then select for myself and enter your first and last name. Then next, select your date of birth and gender. Click on next. Select an Gmail of your choice and click on next and create a strong password of 8 characters with mix of letter, number and symbols. Then tap on next. Then scroll. Click on yes I am in button. You can reach a page that you see your Gmail and click on next. Then scroll and tap on I agree button and your Gmail account is now ready. You can use it. So thank you. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit a like on a video.